company doesn't have one product video, but it has 10 plus. So a lot of SaaS companies make the same mistake. They invest somewhere between $5,000 and $20,000 in one single product video. They put it on the homepage, upload on YouTube, and maybe share on LinkedIn. And expect that one video support marketing, sales, customer service, onboarding, every type buyer. The problem is one video can answer every question for every buyer. So that's exactly why I want to show you this example today. So this SaaS company took a completely different approach. Instead of creating one generic product overview, they created the entire library of solution product videos. So if you're a SaaS founder, product marketing manager, or anyone responsible for driving product adoption and pipeline, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot to learn from this strategy because it doesn't just make the customer experience better. It also makes your investment in product videos work much harder. So let's take a look. At first glance, they just look like a page of a lot of videos. But when you look closer, you'll notice something interesting. Every single video focuses on one specific solution: refill management, deal registration, partner co-selling, configure price codes. Each one solution has a different problem for a different buyer. This is pretty intentional. So they're not trying to explain their entire platform in like 6 minute overview. Instead of that, they've broken the software down into individual buying conversations. And that's a direct impact on revenue. Think about it. Imagine you're responsible for deal registration. You land on this website, and would you rather watch one generic platform overview where only 20% applies to you, or click to a 2 minute video that speaks directly to your problem? So the answer is obvious. The more relevant your content, the more likely people are keep watching. The more likely they watch, the better they understand the value. And the better they understand the core value more. So they're more likely to request a demo after that. That's why specific videos often convert better than one generic product overview. But here's the part that I think is more even valuable. These videos aren't helping just buyers, they're helping the entire business. So imagine you've invested $8,000 into producing a high quality product video, right? So a lot of companies use that one video once. It sits on homepage, maybe get a few shares, and that's it. But now compare that to this approach. The same investment can support your landing pages, your sales teams, your outbound email campaigns, customer success team, partner management, your YouTube channel, your LinkedIn content, even your help center. Instead of one expensive marketing asset, you've created a business asset that multiply departments that you can use every single day. That's how you maximize ROI. Now let's think about sales for a minute. A sales rep receives a lead interested in deal workstation. So this is focused on deal registration. Instead of scheduling like a 30-minute demo immediately, they send this to 2 minute video. So instead of the demo, they send a 2 minute video. The prospect already understands the basics before the meeting even starts. Now the salesperson spends less time explaining features and more time discussing actually the customer's business. So to make meetings more productive, it shortens sales cycles. And where your sales team spend less time repeating the same explanation, they can actually handle more opportunities. That's financial benefit that's often overlooked. And another advance is, guys, that many companies don't even think about. Every one of those videos can make its own content engine. Each video can rank on YouTube. Each one can support a dedicated landing page. Each one can be shared on LinkedIn posts. Each one can actually, answer questions in minutes. It can answer questions in sales emails. Each one targets different search intents. And instead of asking one video to do everything, you got a library of assets that are working together. So that's a much more scalable strategy. Now, actually, if you had a suggestion for improving, if I had a suggestion for improving this page, I would add actually the customer success stories next to each product video. The product video explains the software pretty well. A customer success story proves why it matters. Future, creates understanding. Stories create trust. And when you combine them both together, you create a much stronger buyer experience. So, what's the biggest takeaway? Don't think about product videos as something you can check off your marketing list, just like that. Think about it as a business asset. Every major solution your software offers deserves its own conversation. On landing page, product videos, sales assets. So when you do that, your videos become more relevant to buyers. Your sales teams becomes more efficient. And marketing gets actually more mileage from every production investment. And you're increased to return every dollar you spend on creating content. That's a much smarter strategy than relying on one generic product video. If you enjoyed this breakdown,